Yeah, I'm fine, mate.
Okay. Everyone okay? Okay? Let's go!
So I've got about a
Mas pas-pas.
30-minute drive now.
Hi guys! We're on our way to Sky Valley. Taliman taga ka man le. The seatbelt man le.
This is what it'll be like going out to Mount Buller.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's the same each day.
Like this high.
Yeah. Oh, way higher than this.
Okay.
A dual lane road, multi-way.
Yeah. I think this like eating place here, like restaurants. Yeah, grassland. Taga grassland mi oh. Where? Kyo na left. Nakipatulis. Tamira lang si taga. Klaro si nakasa ilus lang.
Roger.
Si. Rough part. Hold on, guys. What? Nah, you think the Wigo will come here, will pass through here? Yeah? Even it's slow?
Yeah, it's just like Sweden.
Houses here. See? Store. And drying their clothes here. Yeah.
this a more expensive area to live?
No. No. It's just that they bought a land and then they built a private pool and a house, and there's a restaurant up there with a view. But a lot of people have started doing that after because of COVID, because they wanted to go up in the mountains. Yeah. No, abaya kat kami Kuya Ara. Grabe man tamin sa sila yasian sina nun eh. Lang gatas. Kilaya man si Ara. Hindi Visulya. Oh my God. Now, see, you're not gonna pass through here with a Wigo. But I don't know why they do. Good job. Yay.
Done that before.
Yeah, he's expert.
Yeah.
Half lang.
He's the man to go to.
Look at the view, love. Look at the view there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the view, guys. I'm really gonna die. You're not gonna die. Okay. That's why Bibin buys land up here.
Yeah.
Because someday they build stuff and then they sell it.
That's right. Yeah, if you got the equity to do
Yeah.
it, it's worth doing.
That's the place up there. Tired. Tubig. Sinong ano dyan? Oh, we're there na.
Cool. Hey, we're here. Nice.
Hindi pa ka na mumanda yung truck eh. Hindi pa to. Pine tree seedlings for sale. Gabi man tamin. Hala. No iba guard. Usually tali na guard.
Di ba na pera dito? Di ba na pera? Okay na.
Intindi ka kung bawa. Sige no split. Sige no split. Abli alam bogeg. Abli abogeg. Ay, no kalele. Pwede tamang gaan. Di halang kami el gamit alya para. That one. Ito yung restaurant nila. There's a swing there. We are here now, guys. Hello, doggy. Hello. Oh, hello. Look at the place, guys. And just leave it there. We're not going if the house is there. So this is Jill in the sky. No. Let's go here.
Another one.
Just don't go near the dogs. Look at the view. Sky Valley. View of Zamboanga City.
May ako nakalagwarda ha.
I already know people.
Later! Jump. See? So we're here now. There's the pool. This is the house. Is it there? So here's the house. House tour. Look at that, guys. Ain't it so pretty? So pretty. Chris, come here. Han, come here. Later. I'll put it on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, welcome. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. See, pwede lang. Welcome to the house. Kaya na kabalyo. So there's 3. Start with here. There's one room here with a toilet. Wow! Aki ga tukoy. 2 kama ki kabar dyan na toilet.
Sorry, please.
Oh. There's this first room with a toilet. Have a look inside, love. Hot and cold shower. Have a look. They can stay here because they're big family. Yeah. But you can have a look inside. Yep. This one.
There's 2 beds here as well.
Kanda day benali.
And then.
And here's the bath. That's the second room. And maybe we can stay here, me and Chris. This room. Look at the chair! Yeah! We can stay here. Aki lang kami.
Mami, Papa.
Aki go. Miyata. Oh, 2 tamen. Or aki lang sila Daben. I don't know. You choose. Ala, no iki aircon. Oo. Patay.
So, free then. Yeah. Cute, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna check the upstairs. Upstairs there's so many beds, I think. I can tell which one to take.
Oh.
Very nice.
Come up here, Han. Aki arriba. Tiyan na aki aircon.
Aki si Jenny.
Oo. Nahil uno na yung aircon. Oh. Aki, si Dennis lang kisolo. Wow, look. There's 2 bunk beds. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single beds. There's an AC. And look at that. Look at that. Wow, let's go. Tarshele. Tali.
Alright, let's go.
Hi. Hi, Liana. Say, Liana Bear. Woohoo. Woohoo. Pwede. Kusa? Ay, sige. Kitchen. Fridge. Isang margarita, please. Fridge. They have fridge. And they have rice cooker, toaster. You can cook here. Toaster. Okay. Oh, they actually provide water. I didn't know that. Sige. Ooh. Everyone's busy. Hey guys. Uy no. Hello baby. Meron kong Darshella. Hello smiling. We're so smiling. dog, no going out. What? There's rules. Here. No. Oh no. Taking photos with the family. Hi, Dennis. Hi.
Welcome. Welcome to my vlog. Some more.
Yeah, that's pretty. Darshel.
Woggy face.
Woo, say cheese.
Everybody. Everybody, Woggy, go. There you go.
Wow, Liana. Aww. Naman posing. Oh, paka. Oh, look here, Liana, look here. Sabi. Perfect. Hello, baby. Jesus. Papa. Ano pa iniisip mo na? Anong iniisip mo? Oh. Okay lang yan din. Mga lupain, nagsambuanga.
Okay, eyes here. Everyone, eyes here. And ready, cheers. Smile. One more, smile. Wait.
Nagpicture na kami dito. Ayun, gusto nyo sabihin siya.
Just bear with us, okay?
Last time,
That was way back. Oh, dito, pero dito tayo start. Okay, we stand in here. Okay, guys, just walk up and then walking.
oh, I can't.
Or actually walk. Take your time, just walking in the park. No need to rush.
Just walk.
3, 2, go. Nobody looks at the camera, okay, Kanti? This is Kanti.
Nobody looks at the camera. Walk slow.
Everybody look at the camera. Look at the floor. Look at the trees. Look at the solar powered lights. Look at everything solar powered. Look at the tripod. So funny. But nobody's laughing.
Okay na, dito na ang tingin. Everybody eyes here, everybody eyes here. Closer, heads
Look at
closer.
Closer daw.
Yes, medyo magulo lang. Guys, sige. Nasa window. Just,
Nobody jump on the pool, okay? Not yet. Laps, baby.
Woggy now.
Okay.
Uno. Struggle is real with this photo shoot. Let's go guys. Uno baby, hello. Dandan diba? Hello. Let's go guys. Come on. Lock?
On another spot, are we?
Nicely. Oh, let's go Han while they're not here. Look at this place, guys. Oh, be careful, Yana. Okay.
Chickadees.
Yeah, be careful, Han. Oh, Yana. Ha? Hindi pa. Liana, don't touch the dog, okay? Yun! Yummy!
The writing's messed up.
Hmm.
This reminds me of Hawaii, you know when...
Ngayon.
Okay, ready, and...
Nice. Chris, stop it. Yee!